Hi, so today I'm going to be recreating strawberry banana trix yogurt by glitterslimes. So starting off, we're just going to need a mixing bowl, mixing utensil, some baby oil, some PVA school glue, and some activator. I'm using Tide, and some water, which I forgot to mention. So just starting by adding in some glue, however much you want to make your slime. And yeah. So now I'm just adding some baby oil and mixing that all up with my little spatula. So now I'm just adding in some water to my mixture and giving that a good old mix. So here it is after I activated the clip got deleted accidentally, but just add it little by little. So now just take it out and knead it. If it's still sticky, then you add a little bit more. So now I am splitting it into two different piles, and I'm going to dye one half yellow and one half pink. So now they are just dyed. One is pink and yellow to represent strawberry and banana. Then you're just going to take a container and put half and half of each color, and that's basically it. So here's the final product. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, this is my recreation of strawberry banana trix yogurt by glitterslimes. And yes, thanks so much for watching. Enjoy the ASMR.